Okay, please give way at the center. Those, lahat po na nandito, go to the left. Dito po sa left ko.
Okay.
At isa-isa po kayong magbibit ng gong. The gong should be loud enough that would reach the executive, the legislative, at the national and local level. Okay, we'll start
Yung dito,
with the RDC Chair, Elias Bulot Jr. together with Asset Tabora. This year's lead sectoral committees and LGU Baguio City Mayor Magalong and Governor Dalipo. Our Congressman Dalog and Congressman Dumogan. Asset Monica Costales with NCIP Chairperson Grace Pascua.
sige ma'am, go ahead.
Go.
Sige na, Acting Governor, Benguet, and Sir Director Apollo. Okay, dire-diretso
Governor
na.
Eduba and Vice Mayor Olawan. Let's do it in pair. Okay, next, Director Tanggol with Councilor Yuri Wegan. Sunod-sunod na lang po tayo.
Yun.
Oh, pair.
Let's do it by pair. Let's do it by pair para po mag-make a partner. Our councilors.
Next
Now,
time,
please.
pair.
Pair
Go ahead.
po tayo. Please come forward.
LBY and Ma'am Chin. Yan. Oh. Okay, pair, another pair.
Hello, sir.
The gong stand could intonate in the province of Ifugao.
Trivia lang po. Alam niyo ba po ang Unity Gong Relay? This is an annual tradition since the early 2000s, symbolizing the collective call for autonomy